Welcome to ElectricityFrenzy, the channel dedicated to all things electricity. I'm your host, an expert electrical engineer with years of experience in the field. As the head of the maintenance department and a motor maintenance specialist, I've had the opportunity to troubleshoot and handle various motor-related issues countless times. Today, we're going to dive into a topic that's central to motor operation, understanding the factors that can cause an electric motor to draw more current. Mechanical load. One of the primary factors influencing motor current is the mechanical load placed upon it. The mechanical load refers to the force or resistance that the motor needs to overcome to perform its intended function. If the load is within the motor's power limits, it will operate normally and draw the expected current. However, if the load exceeds the motor's rated capacity, we encounter what is known as an overload situation. This can occur due to sudden increases in load or continuous operation beyond the motor's maximum capacity. Voltage fluctuations can have a significant impact on the current draw of an electric motor. When the voltage supplied to the motor decreases, it affects the motor's performance and can lead to an increase in current draw. This behavior is governed by Ohm's law, which states that the current flowing through a circuit is directly proportional to the voltage and inversely proportional to the resistance. Let's dive into a specific voltage-related phenomenon called voltage drop. Voltage drop occurs when there is resistance or impedance in the electrical circuit, typically due to the length and size of the wires or poor connections. When voltage drop happens, the actual voltage supplied to the motor is lower than the nominal voltage. So, how does voltage drop impact the motor? Well, the motor's internal impedance remains relatively constant, meaning its resistance doesn't change significantly. According to Ohm's law, if the voltage decreases while the resistance remains constant, the current must increase to compensate for the reduced power. In simpler terms, when the motor experiences a voltage drop, it tries to maintain the same power output by drawing more current. This increased current helps compensate for the reduced voltage and allows the motor to continue operating at a similar level of performance. Overloading and its consequences. Operating a motor under an overload condition can have serious consequences. As the motor attempts to cope with a load beyond its rated capacity, it draws excessive current. This not only compromises the motor's efficiency but also increases the risk of overheating, which can ultimately lead to motor failure. It's crucial to avoid overloading the motor to ensure optimal performance and prevent potential damage. Bearing issues and electrical faults. Aside from mechanical and voltage-related factors, other issues can also contribute to increased current draw. Worn out or improperly lubricated bearings increase friction within the motor, resulting in higher current requirements. Furthermore, electrical faults such as short circuits or insulation breakdown in the motor windings can cause a decrease in resistance, leading to an increase in current draw. Regular maintenance and inspection play a vital role in identifying and rectifying these issues. Motor efficiency. Lastly, as motors age or if they are of lower quality, their efficiency may decrease. Inefficient motors require more current to produce the same output power, resulting in higher current draw. To ensure optimal motor performance, it's important to choose high-quality motors and regularly assess their efficiency over time. Please take a moment to hit the like button below. Your support goes a long way in helping me create more valuable videos like this. Thanks for that. The effect of motor overcurrent on the motor can have several negative consequences. 1. Increased heat. Overcurrent causes the motor to draw more current than it is designed to handle. This increased current flow leads to higher resistive losses within the motor windings and other components. The energy dissipated as heat can result in excessive temperature rise, potentially exceeding the motor's thermal limits. Elevated temperatures can degrade the insulation materials, reduce lubrication effectiveness, and accelerate wear and tear. 2. Reduced motor lifespan. Continuous operation under overcurrent conditions can significantly shorten the motor's lifespan. The excess current puts additional stress on the motor's components, such as the windings, bearings, and insulation. Over time, this stress can lead to insulation breakdown, increased wear on bearings, and general mechanical degradation. Premature failure of the motor becomes more likely as a result. 3. Efficiency loss. Motors are designed to operate most efficiently within their specified operating current range. When operating under overcurrent conditions, the motor's efficiency decreases. The additional current draw increases resistive losses and reduces the net mechanical output power. As a result, the motor's overall efficiency decreases, leading to wasted energy and higher operating costs. 4. Voltage drop. Overcurrent can also result in a voltage drop within the motor and the electrical system. The increased current flow leads to voltage losses across the motor's internal impedance and the supply conductors. This voltage drop can have detrimental effects on the motor's performance, including reduced torque, lower speed, and compromised motor response to load changes. 5. Safety risks. Overcurrent situations can pose safety risks within the electrical system. Excessive current flow can cause overheating, which may lead to insulation breakdown and potentially trigger short circuits or electrical faults. This poses fire hazards and increases the risk of electrical accidents. To prevent or mitigate the effects of motor overcurrent, it is essential to address the underlying causes promptly. This may involve reducing the mechanical load, ensuring proper voltage supply, and evaluating the motor's suitability for application. Implementing protective devices like circuit breakers, fuses, or overload relays can also help detect and interrupt overcurrent situations, preventing further damage to the motor and electrical system. Regular maintenance, including inspections and testing, is crucial to identifying and addressing overcurrent issues before they cause significant harm to the motor. Several devices are commonly used for motor overcurrent protection. Here are some of the most commonly used devices. 1. Circuit breakers. Circuit breakers are widely employed for motor overcurrent protection. They automatically open the circuit when an overcurrent condition is detected. Circuit breakers are available in different types, such as thermal magnetic and electronic trip units, and they can be manually reset or automatically reset after a fault condition is cleared. 2. Fuses. Fuses are another common device for motor overcurrent protection. They consist of a metal wire or strip that melts when the current exceeds a predetermined threshold. Once the fuse melts, it interrupts the current flow, protecting the motor from excessive current. Fuses need to be replaced after they are triggered. 3. Motor overload relays. Motor overload relays are specifically designed to protect motors from excessive current. These devices monitor the current flowing through the motor and trip the relay if the current exceeds the preset level. Overload relays can be thermal or electronic and provide adjustable settings to accommodate the specific motor's current rating and thermal characteristics. 4. Motor protection circuit breakers, MPCBs. MPCBs are specialized circuit breakers designed for motor protection. They combine the functionality of a circuit breaker with motor-specific protection features. MPCBs offer thermal and magnetic trip elements to detect overcurrent conditions and provide additional motor protection features like phase loss, phase imbalance, and motor stall detection. 5. Electronic motor protection relays. Electronic motor protection relays are advanced devices that provide comprehensive protection for motors. They monitor various parameters such as current, voltage, power, temperature, and more. These relays offer customizable settings and advanced protection algorithms to detect and respond to abnormal operating conditions, including overcurrent situations. It's worth noting that the specific choice of device depends on factors such as the motor's size, application, operating conditions, and local electrical codes and regulations. Consulting with a qualified electrical engineer or professional is recommended to determine the appropriate device for motor overcurrent protection in a given scenario. That wraps up our discussion on the factors that can cause an electric motor to draw more current. Understanding these factors and their effects is essential for proper motor maintenance and troubleshooting. As an electrical engineer specializing in motor maintenance, I've encountered these situations numerous times in my career, and addressing them promptly is a crucial part of my job. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like and subscribe to ElectricityFrenzy for more electrifying content. If you have any questions or would like to see more topics covered in future videos, please leave a comment below. Until next time, stay powered up.